Hello and welcome to another session of Revit MEP by BIM Technologies. So in this session we will be continuing from the previous video of creating pipes and creating slope in the pipes. Now here we will learn how to create parallel pipes and how to add pipe accessories like valves into an existing pipe. Now let's start with creating a pipe. To create that pipe for a parallel, so take the pipe tool, and from the pipe tool let's create a pipe. Let's create a PVC pipe or a plastic pipe. Go to the type selector and select the plastic, and here what we are trying to do is, let's start from the middle elevation 0, and we have taken a size of 150 millis. So let's say if I am creating a pipe of 3 meters length, so I have a pipe of 3 meters length and I wanted to route it up, so I'm giving a value of, let's say, 2750 and apply. So here I can see that I have created a pipe, and if I want to add the vertical length, let's say if I want to hide a height of 5000, now I have a pipe which is going horizontal and then vertical. Now I want to create parallel stacks of this pipe. In order to do that, I can take the parallel pipe tool and select the pipe that I want to add for parallel. So if I want to add both of the pipes as a parallel tool, I can highlight the pipe and then press the tab key so that the other pipe is selected. Now here we have the horizontal number and the vertical number. Let's put the horizontal number as 5, and the horizontal offset that we wanted to have is, let's say, 400 millis. So again, highlight the pipe and then press the tab key. Now you find that the parallel pipes are created, as you can see. Similarly, you can create vertical stacks also. Let's say if I wanted to have vertical stack, I'm taking the horizontal pipe and I wanted to stack it vertically, I can have the parallel pipe tools. First select the pipe and then go to the systems, and then you have the parallel pipes over here. I can take both horizontal and vertical. Let's say the vertical, if I go with 3, and the vertical offset I wanted to have as 3 meters. So these are the two things that I have given. Horizontal offset is 400 and the vertical offset is 3 meters and the vertical number. So now if you click at this pipe, you can see that both the pipe has been created horizontally and vertically. And very important things to note is that this pipe is not in a group. They are all individual elements that you can see. So this was about the parallel pipes. Now let's talk about the pipe accessories. So in order to add the pipe accessories, let us see, first of all, load the families of the pipe accessories from the load family dialog box. So we have some families which is loaded from the Revit content. To do that, go to the insert tab and then go with the load families. So the load family tool is there from the load from library. So you have the load family tool, and if you choose this load family tool, the load family dialog box will be displayed. Now you can see, and then from there we need to, so you have this folder for the Autodesk content. So you can go to the MEP, go back and go to the English folder, and you can go with the Australian content, and we are using Australian content, and here we can go with the pipe folder and we have the accessories. So in this accessories we have got different accessories, like let's go with one of the accessories as the water meter, and let's say we have a strainer. So these are the two accessories that I want to load. Apart from that, I want to also load the valves. So there are two accessories that I have loaded, and there is another accessories. So there is another accessories called the valves that can be loaded. So go to the load family now again, and then here you have the valves folder, and here you have got different types of valves. So you can take the relief valves over here. Let's say if I wanted to have a pressure relief valve, if I want to add a pressure relief valve, I want to add a safety valve to the pipe, I press the control key and select, and I can load this accessories, and we'll take more valves actually for the pipes. So now let's say I'll take more valves so that you can see. So let's go to the multi-purpose valves. So here we have these motor control valves and the pneumatic control valve. So I have a PCV, so I can have a pneumatic control valve, and let's go to a regulating valve here. So go to the load families, and you can have another set of valves. As you can have an NRV, we can have a double check valve or a double check valve 65 to 50 millimeters. So let's understand about how we can add these valves and accessories to the existing pipes, and what are the properties of this valves that we have. So let's have a pipe. Let's say I sketch a pipe over here. So with the pipe tool in the plumbing drop down, you have this pipe tool. So I'll take this pipe as plastic. So this pipe will be taken as an example to add the valves and the accessories in line or within it. So here we have this option called pipe accessories, which is a tool over here in the plumbing and piping panel. And let's go with the first option called the double check valve. Now this double check valve is an inline insert that you can have. So if you place your mouse over the pipe, you can see that it is placed inside the pipe. So this particular valve cuts into the pipe, and as such you can see that the valve is connected over here. So if you look into the properties of this valve, so this is the properties. It has the pressure drop, it has the loss method, and for the edit type, the type properties, you can go with the sizes and the other properties that you can see that you can edit while you're editing the type. So here you can see the valve width, inlet, and the loss method, and different types of other type parameters are given. Now let's take another type of valve in order to understand it more. So go to the pipe accessories, and let's choose this tool, and then let's have this pneumatic, the PCV valve over here, and then you can basically go to the plan view here, and then let's click on the pipe, and you can see that the PCV is placed. Similarly, if you want to have the water meter can be placed anywhere inside in line with the pipe. So this is the method by which you can place different types of accessories within the pipe. Hope you have liked this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe our video. Thank you for watching.